So now you decide who is more dangerous, these wild animals like snake or these tourists, these urban tourists. Namaste guys.
So today is our last day in Mount Abu.
And this is the last day of trip also.
Last day of our trip. After this we will going to Delhi, go back to Delhi by train.
Right. But where we have come today, let me show you. So this is the Om Shanti Bhavan, Brahma Kumaris. And I share something with you that since our childhood we knew Mount Abu only for this organization, this spiritual mission or organization, you can say. It's a huge international organization, okay, Brahma Kumaris. And I knew Mount Abu just because of this reason.
Wow.
So today we are finally going to explore it.
It's an old building, you mean?
Mount Brahma Kumaris small branches are everywhere. Even it is in Palam also. Even it is in Palam also their branch. Yes. So
this is the old one, and
this is their headquarters, international. They started from here and then it spread in the whole country. So we are going to Brahma Kumaris meditation center. Let's see. Okay. Let's learn something spiritual day. We are starting our day with spirituality.
Right, guys.
Chalo. Great. So guys, now we are going to switch off our mobile cameras because this place is supposed to be, peaceful.
Right.
So no mobile camera, only
Are allowed to
yes,
take it.
only peace of mind is allowed. So guys, we just came out. It was like an introduction, spiritual introduction of Brahma Kumaris by a gentleman there about the soul and spirit, and it's not a religion. So
And also we got gifts from
Yes,
them.
so what-
one notebook and one pen. But interesting thing that here it's about daily routine of Pandav Bhavan International Headquarters.
Here, means
it's about here, huh?
Yes.
So getting up 3:30 a.m. and collective meditation 4 to 4. So it is a daily routine, as you can see. It starts from 3:30 in the early morning. Things that you need to do. So deep peace experiences 4:45 to 5:45. Yoga classes, spiritual knowledge classes, breakfast karma. It has written the things with the times, as you can see. And one more interesting thing is that in this notebook, they are sentences. Okay, motivational sentence. Success is key to determination. And forgive and be forgiven. Wow. Even in English and Hindi, both are written
Yes.
here. So Om Shanti, guys, can you see Om Shanti? If you interact with these people, you will see that they have one stick here. It is written Om Shanti. Om Shanti, it means hello, something.
Om means the spiritual supreme soul,
Supreme.
and Shanti means peace.
Peace. So they are somehow sharing this with saying Om Shanti. They are somehow sharing this peace to you. That Om
Wow.
Shanti like this.
Means you are full of peace. Wow, we will update you. We are going to one other museum of
Right,
theirs
right.
because Mount Abu is famous for that. Anyway.
He used to sleep for 6 months together and stay awake for 6 months. No one could wake him up when he was sleeping.
So guys, we have explored Brahma Kumaris, what was that? Om
That
Shanti Bhavan.
organization.
Om Shanti Bhavan, and
It's peaceful.
this is the Peace Park Gardens, and a small show was there on the spirituality of this place. So we are done with the Brahma Kumaris visit. It was really great.
Great, we enjoyed it. And they gifted us so many things.
Exactly.
Yes,
So
thanks.
peaceful vibe, very peaceful vibe. And these two words itself, Om Shanti. It's a
Yes.
whole philosophy in itself.
And one more interesting thing is that at the time that we were with the person who was guiding us, all the time he was just calling us brother,
Sister, right?
brother,
They all
sister.
call brother, sister to each
Because
other.
they all believe that we are from one soul.
One soul. Absolutely.
You-
Beautiful. So now we are going to explore nature. As you know, it is our last day here
Right.
in Mount Abu and in Rajasthan and on this trip. So let's go explore a nature place. Ready? Chale?
Ready.
So guys, when you go from Mount Abu till the top, जब आप माउंट आबू से ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे होते हैं तो ऐसे बहुत सारे आपको वाटरफॉल्स देखने के लिए मिलेंगे रास्ते में. सामने लेक है, छोटी हिल्स का व्यू है और वाटरफॉल है. अल्टीमेट शांति है. कभी कभी इक्का दुक्का वाहन व्हीकल यहाँ से पास हो रहा है, अदरवाइज इट्स वेरी पीसफुल. यू कैन स्मेल द ग्रीनरी, यू कैन फील द cool breeze and the sound of this water is amazing. So we stopped our scooty here. Guys, Here we are scooty at a waterfall and we wanted to sit somewhere at a peaceful place like we were talking about. Then suddenly Zara doubted that there must be a snake there. There is something lying there which is like a snake. And she was trying to show me and I said, no, it's a piece of wood. We have been discussing this thing for last 5-10 minutes, whether it's a snake or wood. Guess what? That snake is not that dangerous. That snake is not that khatarnak. We human beings are. You know why? Look at this glass. You cannot even put your feet under water because they have broken the beer bottles here. Guys, are you watching this video now?
How many are these?
There are so many glasses they have put that we cannot even keep our feet under water here. So many glasses, big, small pieces. It looks like grass. What the hell they have done? Show them there. Show them there, babe. Okay, these are the glasses. So now you decide who is more dangerous. These wild animals like snake or these tourists, these urban tourists who come here, who drink a beer and they break the bottle, you know, in the at these places that you cannot even put your feet. Somebody has to do something. I beg you, if you are watching this video, share it, tell it to people. There should be a mass awareness. Authorities, they should educate these illiterate, or I would say, you know, jahil tourists, that they should not do these things at such nature places. So who is more khatarnak? These snake or these tourists, so-called urban tourists? 2 minutes do, huh? So guys, we are close to our destination. Now we will get down at Delhi Camp. We have reached Delhi Camp, and the trip has ended now.
Yeah.
And now we are planning for the next trip.
For sure.
चले तो कट ही गया सफर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. Guys, within few minutes we will reach home, and thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share. See you next time. Ta-da.